Understanding the Ringleader, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, focusing on the phrase, the ringleader. Idioms are a key part of mastering any language, and understanding them can really bring your English skills to life. The ringleader refers to the main person in a group who leads or influences others, especially in doing something mischievous or rebellious. It's important to note that this phrase often carries a negative connotation and is typically used in the context of someone leading others in wrongdoing. The term ringleader dates back to the 15th century. It combines ring, meaning a small group, with leader, indicating the person in charge. Originally, it referred to a leader of a political faction or a protest group. Over time, it evolved to have a broader, and often more negative, usage. Let's look at some examples. 1. In the movie, the detective finally identified the ringleader of the heist. 2. She was known as the ringleader of the group, always coming up with new pranks. These sentences highlight the phrase's usage in different contexts, helping learners grasp its flexibility and nuance. Understanding synonyms can broaden your understanding of the ringleader. Similar expressions include mastermind, instigator, orchestrator. Each of these has slightly different connotations but can be used in similar contexts. That wraps up our exploration of the ringleader. Remember, idioms like this are a window into the cultural and historical aspects of the English language. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.